Welcome back, viewers, to an episode of Science with me, Mr. Wisepenny. If you watched the trailer last week, you know that we're doing a science experiment that duplicates what it's like to swim in the Dead Sea, one of my favorite places to visit. Really, it's a great spa. People go there and put mud on their faces and everything. So first, as comparison, we're going to show you what happens when you throw an egg in regular water. This is just regular tap water, which Jessica's water company assures her every year in a letter, a nice little letter, that it has an acceptable amount of sewage to pass, and it passes standards and she probably won't die from drinking it. Anyway, so here we have an egg. Just a regular egg. And what happens if we put it in regular water? Whoop! Up, it sinks right to the bottom. Here we have the same amount of water. I know it looks like it's different amounts. The other one said 2 cups and this says 3 cups, but it's actually 2 cups of water. It says 3 cups because we added salt to it. Now let's give it a stir here before we put the egg in, because it has a tendency to settle. Okay, folks, what do you think's going to happen? Have you ever went swimming in the ocean? Yes, it's actually a lot easier to swim in the ocean, for the reasons that we're going to see in a second. Okay, now watch what happens. Oh, it's settling again. Anyway, it shouldn't affect the... Okay, the egg is floating. That is because the salt water is actually denser than the egg, and it pushes it up. Now, are you curious? What might happen if we put in a rock? Will it float? What do you think? Boop! No, it sinks to the bottom because the rock is denser than the water. So, I hope you enjoyed this experiment. Jessica, thank you for having me. Oh, you're very welcome, Mr. Wisepenny. You know, I get the feeling I've seen you before. Your face is very familiar. Do I know you from somewhere? No. I'm pretty sure I would remember you. I just have one of those faces, Yes, some people say I look like Jack Nicholson. Here's Johnny. Yeah, you see him? Huh. Well, I see it a little bit. Actually, it kind of reminds me. You remind me of somebody I saw in a Stephen King movie. Not The Shining, but some other movie. God, it's on the tip of my tongue. I swore I saw a promo for it recently. No. I'm just a regular little science teacher, unemployed science teacher. It's been hard times lately. Anyway, but no. I assure you, you have never seen me in your life. I just have one of those faces. I have to go and get some dinner. Bye. Oh, well, bye. Thank you, Mr. Wisepenny. No problem.